Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. So I'm just since our news portal tutorial theme. Here is the new theme. I'm using this one because here is the category drop down menu, form, slider, first, last is a slider. Here is the breaking news. Here is the keyword. Okay, a search option. Here is the feature news and latest news. Follow advertisement. Okay, uh, advertise tag is tag. It's a social media platform popular news categories for and a single vendor is it will be here is a single here is the comment option, user login option, trending news. Here is the lot of thing here is here. So I'm using this one because if you complete this tutorial, then you will easily got as a beginner developer experience. So that's why I'm trying to cover this one. So here's the next plan is I'm trying to cover is one to one. That's mean first time I want to cover is a category, then it's post and category, then post and tag, category, post and tag, then will be is a comment option. Okay, then exactly next to next. Okay, here's the option is part by part you will get the video. If you like my video, please subscribe. Okay, if you follow this tutorial and playlist, you will got a lot of experience. I will focus every option is a single times. Every option is role management system, searching system, single post editor, lot of thing I will cover is a newsletter, trending post, like. Here I will show like, comment is views, comments. It's a lot of thing I will cover. Okay, please focus on my channel, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and stay with us. I will cover the all topics. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.